I'm here at the Antique Tractor and Engine Show, Portland, Indiana. We're looking at a 1916, I believe, case steam tractor running an antique threshing machine, Minneapolis threshing machine, threshing wheat here. Pretty interesting. Now the cool thing about the threshing machine, how it actually worked was they would cut the wheat in the field. A little noisy here. They would actually cut the wheat in the field with the tractor, go through and bundle it, leave the bundles on the ground in the field. I think about 5 shocks to a bundle with one over top to protect it from the rain. And then once they're ready to actually thresh the grain, they would actually have to use the steam tractor, pull the threshing machine to a central location, get all the bundles on a wagon, bring all the bundles to the threshing machine, and it would take a whole team of people to actually shovel, as you saw them doing, shovel the wheat into the threshing machine, which then got split between, your pile of straw, or you can shoot it into a wagon, I guess, and your wagon of grain that you would then take to the grain bin. But it took a whole team of people to do it. The steam engine would actually, once you pulled the threshing machine to the location where it's going to be in operation, you actually have to turn the engine around and pull it back up to the threshing machine the other way to hook the belt up to it to run the machine off the steam engine. So a lot longer, more involved, more labor intensive, much more labor intensive process. Just about 100 years ago with these steam engines, it was a lot more work to do farming. We're watching some of the steam engines, steam tractors, old antique steam equipment, running some old machinery. I'm gonna go over here, and I believe we've got a steam shovel. Just watching the sawmill. Got a huge sawmill. I think they've got a 60-some horse steam engine running that. The threshing machine, I believe, is a 65 horse. And out here we've got a, not steam, looks like diesel maybe. We've got an antique shovel.
prices of antique equipment versus modern. About this is it's essentially all cable and chain driven. No modern hydraulics here.
So you can see we've got hundreds of beautiful old antique tractors, mostly organized by brand. We've got a lot, there's some John Deeres over here. Got a lot of farm-alls. Over here we've got some Fords. I guess they're not real organized by brand, but I guess some old Ford tractors. So if you come out to old Portland, Indiana, the Tri-State Gas Engine and Tractor Show, Antique Gas Engine Tractor Show, there's all kinds of stuff to see, some good food, all kinds of antique tractors. And before we head out here, we'll go take a look at some antique hit and miss engines. We'll go see if they got any of the big ones running today. Now the featured tractors this year is a big collection of Alice Chalmers, all front and center here at the grounds. They do a different featured tractor every year. I think last year was Ford, McCormick, International, John Deere. It just kind of rotates through. You can hear it blowing steam whistle, lunchtime. Big engines here would actually have been centrally located in a factory and would have a belt pulley system run throughout the factory overhead that would actually power all the equipment in the plant. And these were I believe most of these larger ones were diesel engines, the ones used to run the plant factories. So you just have this gigantic diesel engine centrally located in the plant somewhere, and you would have the flywheel off of it would power a belt that would run up overhead to another pulley that would run shafts and other pulleys and other belts. Just a really intricate drive system throughout the entire factory, with belts coming off to run each individual piece of equipment. So instead of electric motors and stuff running equipment in your factories, you would have one motor, one engine running it. So if that engine went down, basically the whole plant shut down until the engine got started back up. So kind of a neat little way they did things some years ago.
But back in the day, I'm sure, yeah, you had a gas engine.
Gas engine out in the field running.
I'm sure that deal was on it. They just had,
Oh yeah, just a different power head running the gearbox.
yeah, just a different power head around the gearbox. But, yeah, I remember this thing sitting out in the field and running every once in a while.
They had a few of them north of town up by Bryant for a long time, didn't they?
Yeah, that's kind of
That where this was? Okay.
Yeah. That's the only one I've ever seen with a gear like that on it.
That's a pretty neat little mechanism. Neat piece of history, man.
Yeah, it is.
This is one of, if not the biggest show of its kind in the country, I believe. We've got people from all over the country come here. They've got a map at the central office that shows where everybody's from that's checked in. You get people from everywhere, Hawaii, Alaska even, coming all the way here. People from the UK show up just to bring their old engines and tractors and show them off, show what they can do.